Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to auto-comment on Facebook. This software will be a great help in your work. In addition to automatic commenting, it features automatic posting to Facebook groups and automatic post sharing. With just a few simple steps as shown in the video, you select the feature, enter the article link and the content you wish to use, and then simply click Start to get the software running. Now, let's look at how the software operates. It controls your Facebook accounts and handles tasks for you, freeing up plenty of time for you to focus on other things.